Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a popular soup eaten in the northern part of Nigeria called MIYAN TAUSHE. I hope I pronounced that well. So the first time I ever made this soup was on set of a cooking competition show last year, and I made a single mistake that cost me the grand prize. So I'm here to show you guys the proper way of making this soup in case you want to try a different soup from another tribe. So stick around guys, and I hope you enjoy the video.
The theme for your task today is tribes and tongues. And to get this task started, we need you to pick a ballot. We need one representative from each family to come forward to pick your task.
Please.
Tribes and tongues?
The Lawas.
The
Laupek.
Okay. MIYAN TAUSHE.
That's hausa.
Yes.
Whoa.
So guys, the first thing you want to do is to peel the back of the pumpkin. Guys, if I tell you this was the single mistake I made that cost me the entire soup. So make sure you peel the back of the pumpkin, pour it into a pot, pour some water into the pot, cover and let it boil for some minutes till it's a bit tender. So guys, once the pumpkin is tender, drain from the pot, allow to cool, and then you pour into a blender, blend into a fine paste as you can see in the video, and pour into your pot of boiling proteins. Give this a stir till it's properly combined. Add some tomato and pepper mix into the pot. The next thing you'll be adding is palm oil. Give it a stir, and the next thing you'll be adding is peanut butter. This will make the soup creamy. You can as well use finely ground peanuts. The next thing going into the pot is some smoked fish. Next, add some seasoning cube, some salt. Give it a stir and combine it properly. The next we're adding is our red and black pepper. I'm a Yoruba girl now, so this has to be a bit spicy, but then it's optional. If you are one who doesn't like pepper, you can ignore this part. Next, I'll be adding some spinach and uziza leaves, and I'm giving it a stir. So guys, our MIYAN TAUSHE soup is ready. Guys, the soup was the bomb. It was creamy, it was delicious. I had mine with some pounded yam. So guys, when next you want to make a pumpkin soup or MIYAN TAUSHE as they call it, also don't be like me that didn't peel the back of the pumpkin while I was on the show, because I didn't achieve this consistency. Not peeling the back of the pumpkin made the soup more like porridge and not soup. So I hope someone watching this video has learned a proper way of making MIYAN TAUSHE. I heard it to my family and friends and listened to this voice note of what my family friend sent to me after eating the meal, because I sent a bowl of the soup to her.
100 over 100. It was even sweet without stew. La Bimsi. Greatest of all time. Mama oh. Twale.
So guys, that is exactly what good food does to your mood. Thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video. Cheers guys.